Watch carefully. Here is your business plan. You're ahead of the game, but here it is. When you draft a business plan, you're going to talk about the people. You're going to talk about the product, the property, or the project. That's how you're going to spell it out. Okay? You're going to talk about the positioning. Why is your property so much better and attractive for people to invest in it? Then you're going to talk about the performance. What's going to happen with the money? What's going to happen? You're going to give me the money, then I'm going to do this. What is the story with the money? And then the profit. How much am I raising? How much am I raising from investors and from the bank? What are the payouts? And what's the upside? Are you with me on this? So when you draft your own deal, I say, I am involved and I have a team of professionals. I buy properties in San Francisco, luxury homes that are $4 or $5 million. I increase the square footage. I sell them at $10 to $15 million. I also develop land in Florida, in Northport, next to Sarasota, Florida. We do 10 lots at a time, build the homes, sell them. The turnaround is 14 months, 12 months, depends how fast we get the entitlement. We also have mixed-use portfolio of cash-flowing properties that we don't buy, fix, and sell. We buy, reposition, and keep for cash flow. So we have cash flow, big payouts from the luxury, and then big development, turn around like cookie cutter. We'll do 10, we're gonna do 30, then we're gonna do 50, and that's how we do it. The positioning is, in San Francisco, it's only 14 miles, huge demand, and no matter what, in today's market that's difficult, very scarce inventory. The positioning for Florida, it has very high demand, Northeast people relocating, it's extremely high demand. We sell them before we even finish the deals. And we actually, for Puerto Rico, we have the cruise ships, and the business 2021 was the highest revenue for actual tourism on the island. And there is so much growth, my tenants there signed 10 to 15 years. So you see the positioning, how powerful it is? People are like, oh my God, I can just show a picture and talk. And then I say, those who are interested in investing with me, I will pay. You can invest as little as $25,000 to $249,000. I'll pay you 6% steady. That's a debt fund. If you invest $250,000 to millions of dollars, I pay you 8%. We pay it every 6 months, February 28th, August 31st. I charge no fees, no acquisition fee, no management fee, no disposition fee. You get a pure return. And I raise millions of dollars like this, and I've been doing it for years. So simple, they don't have to ask many questions. It's been up and running, it's very clean. So the performance, this is what we do. We buy them, we do this, we do that. And then the profits, I pay you a fixed return. And your money, unlike a syndication, is not secured against one asset. It is secured against a portfolio of assets of over $100 million. I have of my own money, almost $10 million in the fund. That's full disclosure. How many people interested? Any questions? Those who are interested, stand up, go to the back table, see Ashley Jones. She has the private placement memorandum. She's the VP. And those who have questions, I'll repeat the question, answer it to the crowd. The pitch could be done in 2-3 minutes. Yes, only one at the top. I am the top and I am the whole structure. But the key thing is I have a team of investors, and then you have what's called the continuity plan. We're all gonna die, right? Some always look surprised when I say that, I don't know why. But we're all gonna die someday, right? So you have to have what's called the continuity plan. In case of my sudden demise, you know, the fund will be liquidated based on the plan, and my attorney, Miguel Lopez, and my VP, Ashley Jones, will be working with the local brokers who've dealt with Sotheby's in this area, with this, and the Puerto Rico properties are actually in addition. Like, we've raised so much, but the equity is huge. I have like almost 50 million in equity in the fund on 100 million assets. And listen to the beauty of this. That whole 50 million is mine. Would you want to set up something where the upside for your hard work and effort and all this be yours or be shared with other people? You want it all. And the investors are happy because they want that steady return. They say, I don't want the 4 or 5%. I want that 8%. You understand what I'm talking about? I'm telling you that it works. And I'm the evidence it works, and it's simpler, much better.